Optimal Revenue Management System Corporation Tax. Welcome to part 2 of this step-by-step demo on completing the corporation tax return. Tax computation. This is where things get tricky, so we will complete the computation for this specific business. Some companies may have other profits, income, deductions, and allowances, so bear in mind this example is only for Absolute Design and Networks. Additionally, a commercial company is one that derives at least 75% of its gross income from goods not manufactured by it, or if it is engaged in telecommunication, banking, or insurance other than long-term insurance. Companies engaged in both commercial and non-commercial activities are taxed at dual rates, where 25% is charged for the non-commercial activity and 40% for the commercial activity. So to start, the preparer must enter the turnover amount. That is the total of all gross receipts, line 29, plus income earned on the lines 34 to 43 during the accounting period, including all cash and credit sales, commissions and fees receivable without any deductions for taxes or duties or expenses. This business has a turnover of $17,521,050. The preparer must also state in line 20 as it asks for the profits or losses from any trade, business, profession, or vocation. Lines 19, 21 to 26 does not relate to the business. Therefore, we enter the total profits in line 27. That is $6,661,340. Section J requires the preparer to post details about the company's income. In line 28, enter the total of all gross receipts. That is, income earned during the accounting period, including all cash and credit sales, commissions and fees receivable without any deductions for taxes or duties or expenses. This value should exclude gross receipts or sales covered in lines 33 to 42. The company never experienced returns and discounts. Therefore, the total from line 28 will be brought down to line 30. Balance and line 32, gross profits, because the cost of sale or operations are not related to the business. Lines 33 to 42 also have no relation to the company. Therefore, the balance is stated in line 43, total income. We're almost through.
I'm ready! Right.
Section K relates to deductions and allowances. In this section, do not include any deductions and allowances which relate to income not subject to tax. The company incurred employment costs such as salaries and wages, allowances, bonuses, etc. Therefore, enter the amount in line 4 to 5. During the year of income, the company also incurred repairs and maintenance. Do not include expenditure in respect of extensions, capital improvements, or structural alteration or any expenses not wholly and exclusively incurred in the production of the income in line 4 to 6. Absolute Design and Networks claimed wear and tear allowance for the machinery used for the production of income. Hence, we enter that value in line 53. They also had other deductions where that total is entered in line 59. Enter the sum of lines 44 to 59 in line 60. Income not subject to tax is section L. This section has no relation to the company. Therefore, we enter the chargeable profits in line 67. Enter the value for columns 4 and 5 of Schedule L2, then calculate the tax of chargeable profits in line 68. Since this is a non-commercial company, the rate of tax for year of assessment is 25%. When we calculate $6,117,905 by 25%, we get a total of $1,529,476. Enter that figure in line 68 and 69. The final section, M, requires the preparer to enter any tax credit the company may have incurred during the year of income. Absolute Design and Networks paid $205,650 in advance corporation taxes. Therefore, we enter that figure in line 76. Other tax credits were allowed for the company. Therefore, we enter the total value of all other credits not reported elsewhere in the return in line 78. In line 79, enter the sum from line 70 to line 78. If line 69 is greater than line 79, enter the difference in line 80, tax due. If line 79 is greater than line 69, enter the difference in line 81, tax refundable. Don't forget to enter the respective figure on page 1, section E.
We are so over.
Fine by me!
Where can I find additional guidance to fill out this form? Guides to this form can be found on the Optimal website, www.gra.gov.gy/optimal. An Excel spreadsheet with the various schedules can also be found here. The return must be submitted within the various schedules and supporting documents. Where can I submit this form? This return can be submitted at any of the GRA's tax offices, tax sites, e-services, or PO Box 10406. And remember, the due date for submitting this return is April 30 of every year. Thanks for watching.